Blimey! Now this is the North American premiere of the new V55. She's all new. More evolutionary than revolutionary in design, but there's a lot of new details. So she has the high-low bathing platform, as well as the tender garage, as well as crew quarters. Dual boarding, port and starboard. Great access to the side decks as well. So let's go on board and take a look. Lovely sunbathing space, cup holders. Now this is new, so it has an infill panel to allow this wraparound seat to continue all the way around. Obviously you remove it as soon as you need access. So let's take a walk around. Lovely wide side decks, you can see all this beautiful glass, flush fitted. And on this boat, which is nice, they've introduced this almost like Portuguese bridge arrangement with a walk-through and a mini table, sun lounges. It's a lot of detail that you don't often get in a boat this size. Again, beautifully finished. Oversized pleats, large lockers for storage of fenders and lines. And let's continue aft. As I say, the one thing with Princess that I like is the designs are far more evolutionary than revolutionary. So what it means, if you buy this boat and you keep it for 10 years, I don't think in 10 years the new model will be a million miles away from this design. So you have a very desirable craft. So there are a couple of new things in this new V55. Very stylish and completely new mouldings for this aft entertaining area. Here you've got battery switches, fuel cut-offs, etc, etc. Full refrigeration, ice maker, grill, and what's nice as well is the way they've considered this moulding aft here, this glazed moulding which brings the line all the way back. It's a really nice look. And the other amazing part is all these disappearing windows, doors. The side window folds up, so you end up with a completely clean, open boat. Okay, continuing on. This is one of the mechanical marvels of this new boat. This is a completely hidden door and window. Hydraulically raises, slides across. This as well, completely new. Flat screen TV. This comes out, swivels, you can watch it from anywhere in the boat. Inside, outside. Again, fantastic engineering. As I continue the tour through on the brand new 55, Again, just the same as the luxury 65 and the 78. Benzononi helm seats, beautifully upholstered. These lovely triple glass bridge screens, bow and stern thrusters. There you have joystick control as well. Ship's panel. Now this is a 3-cabin boat. Hey, no, please. Now the VIP forward has these scissor berths that can be moved very easily. To make a double. Really nice and light and airy. Flat screen TV. Vanity unit. Again, soft close. Day heads. Again, Carrara marble. Beautifully finished. As the starboard bunk cabin, again very, very nice. Great place for kids. Plenty of height, plenty of glass. Has its own TV. Lots of light. Now let's see the star of the show. Here's the master heads. Again, Carrara marble. And as we come down, full height, full standing headroom. This lovely sofa, gorgeous swooping windows. Entertainment centre. This is really sexy. Look at this curved Vengerwood panelling. High gloss, contrasting with the satin veneer. Walnut. Nice hanging locker space. And this once again, leather panelled. Vanity. Stowage everywhere you look. I would say this is a wonderful entry into the big boat segment of Princess sporting boats. All new. Huge opening sunroof. Attention to detail everywhere you look. Lovely, lovely boat. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. Blimey!